Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58-57Y8 Gaming Laptop Review. The Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58-57Y8 is a gaming laptop packed with powerful specs. The 15.6 FHD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides stunning visuals for an immersive gaming experience. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti with 4G Clelli dedicated GDDR6 VRAM delivers exceptional gaming performance. The laptop's 15.6 Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures fluid and uninterrupted gaming sessions, the reviewer mentioned. The sharp visuals and fast refresh rate make every game look stunning and responsive. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro 5 AN515-58-57Y8 is a top-notch gaming laptop with impressive specs and a high-quality display.